Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Google Gemini, then just a quick video to let you know that Google now has added music creation to Gemini. With Google saying from the announcement, using text-based or image prompting, you can now generate custom 30-second soundtracks in Gemini. It's also said that this new capability is powered by Lyria 3, which Google says is its most advanced music generation model yet, transforming prompts and images into custom soundtracks. So basically what you do is you just describe what you want to hear and then let Gemini handle the rest according to Google. And you can also adjust vocals, tempo, and musical style without manually writing lyrics. So just to show you how this all works, in Google Gemini, and this applies to mobile and desktop, if you head to Tools, click on that, you can see Create Music, and they've also popped a shortcut here saying Create Music as well. So you click on Create Music, and here you can see they've given us some suggestions. Pick a track to remix, or you can simply just describe your track using your own words as mentioned. I'm just going to pick an example from the suggestions given. Let's click on Cinematic, and I'm going to say customize this track, and then I'm going to submit, and this will take a couple of seconds to generate. So I'm just going to skip to the end, and there we go. And it says, I've composed a grand cinematic orchestral score for your epic chase scene, and so on. And then if we head to the actual track, you'll see here that each generated track includes custom cover art that's created by Nano Banana, which is the AI image generator of Gemini. And according to Google, the music is also embedded with Synth ID, which is Google's watermarking designed to identify AI generated content, which I think is a nice move. And if we head to the little more menu, you can see you can listen, and you can see the model is Lyria 3 as mentioned. And if we hover over the track, you're also able to share the track and also download the track. So I'm just going to play this so you can get a general idea. So there's my cinematic orchestral score for Chase. So that's just giving you a general idea. Obviously, you can fiddle around. You can describe your track using your own words. Now, something to take note of. Google says that Lyria 3 music generation in Gemini is currently available globally in English, Japanese, Korean, Hindi, Spanish, Portuguese, German, and French for users over the age of 18. And the rollout started yesterday, and I would say it should be finished by the end of this week, according to the announcement. And the availability, Google says, is for Google Workspace customers, Workspace individual subscribers, and users with personal Google accounts who are 18 years or older and signed in to the Gemini app. So you're going to have to be signed in to use Lyria 3 music generation. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.